Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and other videos. So today I am making pickle chips, which is very tasty and delicious. This recipe. In this video I will show you today. You will be told to make cucumber pickle and chips of the same pickle, and they can easily be made at home at very low cost. So today I am going to share with you the method of making pickle chips, and you must try it too. Inshallah you will like this recipe very much. So I start making this recipe. So first of all, I have all the stuff here of pickle chips. So here I have 4 fresh cucumbers, and this is cooking oil, and this is the green pepper I have cut it. This is garlic pieces, I have also cut it now. And that's all we need to make it. So first I will cut the cucumber slices. And this is how we cut the all cucumber slices. And the cucumber slices are to be cut into medium size. And yet if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, so you can easily get more new videos coming to you. And inshallah in the same way I will bring new recipe for you guys. And to see more videos, you guys must subscribe to my channel and watch the videos, like, share, comment. Thank you. And that's how we cut all the cucumber slices. And this is, I have taken water in a bowl, putting ice cube in it. And I will put in it the slices of cucumber which I had cut. And so we put all the cucumber slices in the bowl. And now I will keep mixing them with a spoon for 5 minutes. After mixing for 5 minutes, I will leave in it the same water for 5 minutes so that the cucumber become a little hard. And now I will take the cucumber out of the water and put them in a separated container. We are keeping the cucumber slices a separated container because now we have to dry them. In the same way, we have to take out the slices of cucumber in a plate. After that, I will first put some tissues in a tray. Now I will put a slices of cucumber on the tissue. In the same way, we have to place all the slices of cucumber on top of the tissue. And now I will put other pieces of tissues on top of the cucumber slices. And now I will dry the cucumber slices. And now I am going to remove the tissue from it. Now I will take a new piece of tissue and put it on top. And I will dry it again of cucumber slices. In the same way, I have dried all the slices of cucumber as well. And now I will take it out on a dry plate. Here our cucumber I will dry it. And now I am going to put slices of cucumbers in cooking oil. Right now we are making pickles for the cucumbers. And with that pickles I will tell you how to make chips. After putting a little bit of cucumber in the oil, now I am adding this garlic too. And now I am adding green peppers to it. And now I will add the remaining cucumbers, green chilies and garlic in cooking oil. And I am adding a teaspoon of salt to taste. Now I will mix it with a spoon. And now I will cover it. And this is where all cucumbers pickles come in. And you can eat it when you feel like it. And now that we're about to make the same pickle chips, the whole video is a must see. And now I am going to make cucumber pickle chips. And now I will just get the cucumber slices out of cooking oil. I will take them out in a bowl. So here I have taken cucumber slices out of cooking oil. And here I have two flavors of chips. So first of all I am putting salted Lay's in it. I am just putting half Lay's packet in it. If you come you can put the whole. And now I am adding French's Lay's to it. These two I will put only half in it. And now I have mashed the Lay's well. And now I am going to break an egg into it. Now I will mix the egg and Lay's well. And other 2 eggs I will put in the cups. and now I will mix it well. And on the other stove I put the cooking oil to warm. And now I will let it warm for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we make cucumber chips. So first of all I will put chips will on top of a pieces of cucumber. Now I will dip it in the eggs one. Now once again we will put chips on it again. And put it in cooking oil to fry. And we have to prepare and fry the rest of the cucumber chips in the same way. And I will just let it fry until it's light brown color. And we have to let it cook over medium heat. When their light brown colors come out and it is well cooked, I will take them out in the pot. So mashallah, our recipe for today pickle chips has been prepared. So you guys will definitely try this recipe too. Inshallah you will like it too. And you guys will tell me how you like today's videos in the comment section. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Waiting for my next video. Allah Hafiz. Will definitely remember me in my prayers.